Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change temperature unit on Whiteout Survival. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner. Here, click on game settings option. Now scroll down your screen. And here you can see temperature unit option. You can either change your temperature unit to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Right now the temperature is in Celsius. So if you want to change it into Fahrenheit, then you'll just have to tap on the button of temperature unit option. So that is how you can change temperature unit on Whiteout Survival. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.